Okay, clean the hammer strut. Looks much better. It was pretty dirty, as is the rest of it. Now the factory standard is 22 pounds. I think I'm going to put the 19 pound in there because I don't want it to be too light. I could put a reduced power spring, even more reduced than that, from Wolf Gun Springs, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'm going with the 19 pound reduced power. This is for the, what it says on this is for SIG P220 with serial numbers under G219, which is mine is a G173, so that is why we're using these springs. So I'm going to put the spring on, put the hammer strut back in the hammer strut housing, and then I'm going to put the bracket back on, and then put the pin back on, grips, and we're done. By the way, I did the trigger pull single action. It is just under 5 pounds. Double action, it was above 8 or 9 pounds. I guess all the way up past the 8 pound mark would be 9 pounds, but it was beyond that, so I couldn't actually see what the double action trigger pull is. Probably about 12 pounds. So we're going to lighten that, smooth it out a little bit. I've already tackled some of the insides, polished them up like I did the barrel. Not too much though, not too aggressively. You got to use a light touch. So let's put the hammer spring back on and put it back together.